everyone, this is Lena. Welcome back to ATX Real Estate channel. I am from Premier Team Real Estate. Today I'm standing in front of the house that I just sold for my clients. It is located in the Round Rock and Georgetown area in the community called Vista Terra. And this house has 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's also 1 story, of course. It's located in a great community. It has Georgetown School District, but it's very closer to the Round Rock entertainments and outlet mall, universities and hospital. Everything is so close by. It's a great community, and today I will be touring you what it looks like inside, some of the new feature, and the house was built by Meritage Homes, by the way. Thank you. Wow, if you walk in the house, it has a big hallway and a lot of natural lights. If you go all the way down to the family room, it has 3 beautiful bay windows and capture a lot of natural lights. Also, the backyard is facing the green belt, so there's no house been built in the back there. Beautiful view. What I like the most in this house and the floor plan is the beautiful open kitchen. Meritage actually used quartz as a countertop, which is really easy to maintain, and a very big sink, along with appliances that's stainless steels, and beautiful lighting fixtures, along with espresso cabinets. It actually lit up the house, and it's perfectly combined with all the design scheme. The backsplash is something that I like the most as well. It's beautiful, neutral color. This community also have gas, so you have gas stove and then also gas dryer if you decided to use that as a heat saving. We're heading to the master bedroom. This house is really nice because when you open the master bedroom windows, you can see a nice green belt, green color out there, and it's private. The master bath suite is a little bit cozy. It's not large, but it's really cozy and enough room for a small family. A standing shower with beautiful tile and texture. It also have a garden tub and a double sink and a really nice walk-in closet. about purchasing a house in Austin, Texas, or even in Round Rock and Georgetown area, feel free to contact me for a free consultation. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.